Our dough is rested for about 10 minutes now, and I divided it up into 8 balls. And I'm going to go ahead and make some soft pretzels. So what we want to do is just roll it out, and this is fun for the kids to do. You want to try and make it, about 16 inches if you can. If not, that's fine. I usually try and make it about the size of my board here. And then we're going to take both ends, cross them over, and make it look like a pretzel. And we're going to put these on our cookie sheet that has got some parchment paper, or you've went ahead and sprayed it with some non-stick spray. And we're going to let them rise for about 35 minutes, and then we'll see how they look. So we're back now, and while our pretzels were rising, I got a pot of water boiling, and I put in about a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda works really good to give it that nice crispy crust on the outside. I also covered up the pretzels with some saran wrap that had been sprayed with cooking spray. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drop our pretzels into the water, the boiling water. And we're going to let them sit in there for just a little bit. And then we're going to take them out, and we're going to sprinkle them with some coarse salt, or you can use cinnamon and sugar. The recipes are all in the cookbook. So I've got these in here. See that? They're just boiling a little bit, and that's going to help them get that nice crispy crust. Also, I have preheated my oven to 375. And that's where we're going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. So I'm going to take these out, and I'm placing them on a rack for them to drip a little bit, and we'll put some more in there. I think these are going to be really tasty. There we go. Make sure that stays boiling. You may have to turn it up a little bit to keep that water boiling. So next thing we're going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some iodized salt on there. It's a coarse salt. Just a little bit to give it some fun flavor. And the kids like doing this too. And I'm going to be putting them back on to my baking sheet. I've got the parchment paper. Got those on there, and we'll grab our 3 and the water out. And then we're going to do the same thing with the last 2. And I think these are going to be super fun. We're going to bake them in the oven, and then we'll see how they turn out. All right, our pretzels are out of the oven. They're nice and golden brown, and you can eat them. You want to let them cool down just for a minute, but you want to eat them warm. They're really good that way. So we're going to serve one up, see how that looks. What do you think? You can also make a cheese sauce out of the Sensible Nutrition Cookbook to dip those in. So yummy. This is a really versatile recipe. You can make bread, you can make pizza crust. I just love it. It's so good and healthy and super easy. So try it out.